Do you want to know?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Blazing Ivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. If you have been watching my videos, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Subscription is free. So today I'll be doing a turmeric face mask. Before I start properly, I want to tell you some benefits and importance of using turmeric face mask on your face. I do this at times once in a week or twice in a week. I don't recommend turmeric face mask for sensitive skin. Some benefits of turmeric face mask are turmeric is good both for head and skin, and turmeric also fights acne and pores, and also turmeric is good for brightening your skin. Turmeric reduces a lot of melanin. It's very good for both oily skin and dry skin, but like what I said earlier, I don't recommend it for someone that have sensitive skin. Turmeric have high anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and is also good for other skin conditions. Other skin conditions like it might be eczema, pimples, name it. Turmeric is very good. It's also good to fade dark spots, like dark spots that there might be spots that pimples left on your face, or there might be spots that other skin disease left on your face. In this video, I'm going to use turmeric, honey, and lemon. We need turmeric powder, honey, lemon juice, or a bowl to mix. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and you can use your regular tablespoon that you used to eat is equal to this. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then mix very well before applying it to your face. So these are your mixture should look like. It should not be too thick and should not be too light. Before you apply it on your face, make sure you wash your face with clean water, your face is clean, and apply it with your hand or a brush. But in my case, I'm going to use a brush. And after applying it, make sure you leave it for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. So right now I've applied it all over my face. I will leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. And after I've rinsed it off, I'll wash it with my face soap. So guys, I'll end this video here. Please do subscribe. If you have not subscribed, you can share this video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.